DJT stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Trump media stock or Trump media and technology stock. Yeah, it's going up, like it's gone up pretty good, 15% up or so. I personally am still quite bearish. Overall speaking, all I'm sticking to is the strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions if you didn't know. But there was two ways that I was looking at this range. We either started breaking above 20.84 or below 16.12, and from what I can see, we really started breaking up. I'm not specifically like immediately gonna be bullish. I'm still open to this bearish idea, because notice that I've done 29,000 videos over the last 4 years, and in situations like this, one break doesn't mean anything. It has to start breaking up a lot more for me to be bullish, and if we actually start breaking double time lower, then I'm gonna short. TLDR, you know, just PS statement. I'm only gonna short if the price gives me the rules, and that's it. Anything else is I'm just waiting for. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.